Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm talking about the quantile function. Okay, the quantile function compute quantile, a revolutionary thing. The only required argument is a numeric vector to where the quantile will be calculated on. Some notable arguments. As usual, we have na.rm. So if you have missing values in your vector, this will remove them. If you do not remove them, it will throw an error and give you no valuable information. You also have the prob argument, where you can specify a list of quantiles to calculate. By default, it calculates the minimum, maximum, median, 25th centile, and 75th centile. We also have type, which is how the quantiles are calculated. There's many different ways of calculating quantiles. The default is 7, and if you are interested in the different methods of calculating quantile, you can do help quantile. And in the documentation, it goes over the different types of quantile calculation. But for our purposes, the default type 7 is perfectly fine. Okay? And we also have the names argument that I'm not going to mess with. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with the code. So I'm going to start with a vector called vec normal. And it's going to be sampling from a standard normal. So a normal distribution means 0, standard deviation 1, and I'm going to get 1,000 samples of that. I'm also going to do vec missing, and I'm just going to go ahead and save some time. So C, which is concatenate connected vectors, NA, and I'm just going to tack on that vec normal. Okay, now we just have a vector that's 1 unit longer that contains a missing value. And I'm also going to pull a column from the iris data set so we can look at some real data, and so you can see what to do with data frames if you want to just examine columns of a data frame. Okay, so we have these 3 variables. I'm going to start with the first one. So quantile vec df. Nope, not df, normal. Okay. So we have median very close to 0, and the extreme close to positive -3. That one's actually a little bit unusual, but it's not crazy for it to be -4. Okay. So I'm going to run the quantile function again with the vec missing. And this is going to throw an error when I put it in. So it's real mad at us. And all I have to do to fix that is, so re-enter vec missing. And the na.rm equals to true. And now it runs just fine with the same quantile, because it's the same data. Okay? And now we have quantile dot vec df. This is the column we pulled from the iris dataset. And you see we get much better looking numbers, because as you can see, it only goes to the first decimal point, whereas vec normal has a lot of decimal after the first element, the whole number. So, and that's the difference. Okay. We can also just directly enter the column without making a variable. So, iris, money sign, people lane, and you get the exact same answer. So you can either make a new variable or just directly enter it. Okay. As always, I have an example in my blog post that's different from this one. And in this example, I play with the problems argument. So it returns only the 25th, 50th, and 75th percentile. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.